Well, hey guys, just a short video today, just explaining how to get the dress ring off of the tap when you're trying to change the cartridge. So I'm going to remove the handle first, the help of the Allen key, so that comes off. So this is the dress ring we're talking about. Now, if that's stuck on or just seized on just over time, whether it be corrosion or just food, etc., what we're going to do is use a little bit of either WD-40 or CRC. We're going to spray up into here. And now this is a new one, so it doesn't really matter. And so we're going to spray up inside there, and you leave it for a few minutes just to soften whatever's there. Then what I've got here is this is a bush from a bottle trap waste, and what that does is that just fits nicely around the conical part of the dress ring. So what you want to do is you want to just press it on there and hold it, not too tight. You just need more grip than actually squeezing, because what happens when you squeeze it, it just ends up crushing and then binding against the thread because it's quite thin. So then that just comes straight off. So that's the easiest way to get these dress rings off when they're stuck. Make sure you do put a bit of lubricant on once you've changed the cartridge. Once you put that back on, you're away again. You can wind that back in, and it only needs to be hand tight, and then you can put the handle back on. Make sure it goes to the correct orientation. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.